In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Atlassian Jira. To get started, open Jira software in your browser and sign in with your Atlassian account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access your workspace and begin managing projects. Jira is designed to help teams organize tasks, track progress, and collaborate more efficiently, so understanding the basic workflow will make everything else much easier. From the top navigation bar, click Projects. Here you can either create a new project or open an existing one if you've already been invited to one. If you're creating a new project, Jira will ask you to choose a template. Common options include Scrum, Kanban, and task tracking. The template you pick determines how your team's work is structured, so choose the one that best matches your process. Next, create an issue. In Jira, an issue is the main item used to track work. Click the Create button, then select the issue type you want, such as task, story, bug, or epic. After that, enter a clear summary and description so everyone understands what needs to be done. If needed, assign the issue to a team member, then click Create to save it. Once your issues are created, open your project board to organize the work. On the board, you can move issues between columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done as the work moves forward. This gives you a quick visual overview of what's happening. You can also update issue details, such as due dates, priorities, or labels, whenever necessary to keep everything accurate and current. To find work quickly, use filters or the search bar. Jira allows you to search by project, assignee, status, priority, and other criteria. If you use the same search often, save it so you can access it faster later. To track progress, open the board or backlog to review ongoing work. You can also use dashboards to monitor project status with charts and reports. It's a good habit to regularly review both completed and outstanding issues, so nothing slips through the cracks. Jira also makes team collaboration easier. You can add comments directly to issues, mention teammates using their username, and attach files, screenshots, or documents for extra context. This keeps conversations and supporting materials connected to the work itself. When a task is finished, move the issue to the Done column or update its status to Done or Closed depending on your workflow. And if you want to tailor Jira further, you can customize your workspace by creating dashboards and adjusting notifications, automation rules, and board settings to better match how your team works. And that's how to use Atlassian Jira.